Hello and welcome to this quick introduction to story maps in ArcGIS Online. My name is Harry West and I'm a GIS lecturer in the Department of Geography and Environmental Management at UWE Bristol. So, as I said in the previous presentation, story maps are a brilliant and often underused resource in schools. Story maps can bring together your maps containing your living atlas data with text and other media as well. By bringing all of this content into one place, story maps can be very powerful teaching and self-directed learning or revision tools for you and your students. In this first video, what I thought I would show you is how to create a web map which contains some data from the Living Atlas, as you'll need a series of web maps to include in your story map. So this is the ArcGIS Online homepage, and yours will look slightly different to mine as this page will be tailored to your school or university. First off, you can access maps by clicking on the map icon at the top of the screen. And this will take you through to the web map builder. The first thing I always recommend is that you zoom in to your area of interest. So I'm going to zoom in now to the city of Bristol. A number of different base maps are available in ArcGIS Online, and you can change them using the base map selector up in the top left hand corner, and you'll see there are quite a few different ones to choose from. So I'm going to change now from this topographic representation to the OpenStreetMap representation. Now we have our map ready, we can add in some data from the Living Atlas. To do this, we select the Add Data icon and then browse Living Atlas layers. Now I can search for some useful data sets, and I'm going to search for some demographic data for the UK. So for this, I'm going to select the Index of Multiple Deprivation as a useful data set to add in. What you might notice as you start to explore some of the data sets is that some of them are interactive, and so when you click on different polygon areas, you can get some more information about them. So this is the first map that I would like to add in to my story map. So I'm going to save this now, so it saves to my content area ready to be added in. Now I'm going to set up a new map so that I can create the second one for my story map. So I'm now just going to create a blank new map. So following exactly the same steps as I did before, I'm now going to find a different demographic data set for the city of Bristol. So this time I think I'm going to pick UK qualifications. And just as before, this data set's nice and interactive and contains lots of information in the pop-ups. And now I'm going to save this web map as well. So what we've covered in this quick video is how to set up a web map and how to add in a couple of different layers using the Living Atlas data repository. In part 2 of this video, we'll explore the story map builder and how you can bring in these two maps alongside some other useful information.